Hello children. So I hope you have spent your holidays well. It was short but still you got a holiday and you have enjoyed with your family members. So now it's time to come back to your studies. So we will start with computer. So first of all I will give you the syllabus of first term, that is chapter number 1. Open this content page. Chapter number 1, evolution of computer, we have already done. Chapter number 2, types of software, we have already done this. Chapter number 3, advanced features of word processor, we have already started before the summer holidays, so we will be continuing with this. So for the first term, chapter number 1, 2 and 3 will be coming for first term. What is the syllabus for first term? Chapter number 1, evolution of computer. Chapter number 2, types of software. And chapter number 3, advanced features of word processor. From this 3, we have completed 1 and 2. Now 3 will be going on. Already we have started. So now come on to the page number, chapter number 3, that is advanced features of word processor. In this lesson, we will be learning about what formatting text using Format Painter, changing font efforts, shadow efforts, using editing tools in MS Word, inserting header and footer, page formatting, setting tabs, indications, find and replace features, working with shapes, working with smart art, word art, formatting a tables, formatting a tables and formatting a tables. So these are the key concepts which we will be studying in this chapter. Already we have started with this formatting text using Format Painter. We have already done. Just I will be giving you a gist about this. Format Painter is used to copy formatting from one item to another. For example, if some text is written and formatted using a specific font type, color or size, to copy that formatting to another section of text, Format Painter tool is used. So this is what is for, if somebody asks you in the question, in the exam, the question comes, what is format painting? Your answer will be Format Painter from here till here. This is the answer for what is formatting text Format Painter. Then come to the next page. These are the steps given which we have already done, how to change the font effects of the thing. This is the steps given how to use the Format Painter. Then we have completed this shadow effect also, the Microsoft Word, this one. These 4 we have done. Now we will be starting with using editing tools in MS Word. The track changes feature of MS Word always allow you to see what changes have you been made in a document. Track changes is what? You can track how many changes you have done in a particular document. You can easily make the view track changes and comments while you are working on a document. By default, changes such as deletion, comments and formatting are displayed in the balloon. Now if you have done any deleted part, if you have done any comments, if you have done the formatting part, it will be displayed as a balloon. It will be displayed as a balloon. By default, these changes are already there in the MS Word. The tool for track changes are available on the review tab. These things are given where? In the review tab. You can see this figure. Review tab, delete previous, next, show comment. And these are the things. Track changes, track change, lock tracking. You can lock it also. So these are the things which are given in the review section. The changes while you edit, do the following. First is open the document. We will open it in the Word. Secondly, click the review tab in the tracking group, click the track changes option. What you will do, you will click the review tab, then you can click on this, and then you will click on this. Make the changes that you want: inserting, deleting, moving or formatting text or graphics. You can also add comments. Now whatever the changes you want to make, either you want to insert anything, either you want to delete anything, either you want to move a text from one place to another, or you want to put any graphics inside that, you can do it. You can add comments also to that. This is given in figure 3.3. Come to the next page. Turning off track changes. To turn off the track changes in MS Word, follow the given step. Again, you will click on the review tab, click in the tracking group, click on the track changes. Note, turning off changes tracking does not eliminate the track change in your document. Now see again on page, come on page number 25 again, this figure. When you have opened your document, you will click on review. You will click on track changes. Here it is given lock tracking. Now there is one note given. Have you read that? You will click on this and your changes will be logged. Now can you come again on the page number 26. Now again see this note. This note is very important. Just underline this. Turning off changes tracking does not eliminate the tracked changes in your document. If you will turn off that thing, that lock tracking, then you won't be tracked any changes which you have done or by mistaken some other person have done in your document. So always put it on only. If by chance you want to put it off, you can put it off, but if any changes are there, you cannot track that. Got it? Now, the second thing, accept or reject changes. The reviewing pans display all the changes done in a document. While you review, track changes and comments, you can either accept or reject each change. Now, what is given? The reviewing pan display all the changes done in a document. Now reviewing pan is there. In that all the display, in that you can see the display and you can see the changes which you have done in the document. While you review, track changes and comments, you can either accept or reject each change. If you have done, if you want to accept, you can accept it. If you don't, you can reject that also. The steps are as follows. Now, how to accept and reject the changes. Click on the review tab. In the changes group, click next or previous to view the next or previous changes in the document respectively. Now, when you will click on review tab, in the changes group, click on next. Next means you will click on next and you can see the change, how many changes you have done till now. If you want to click on previous, you can click on previous and you can see the respective changes. You can do one of the following. Any one only you can do. To accept a change, click on accept in the changes group. To reject a change, you can click in reject in the changes group. Both the options are given, accept and reject, but you can do only one. What you can do, only one you can do. To accept all the changes at once, अगर एक बार में ही you want to change all the changes at a one time only, click on review tab, click the drop down menu arrow of the accept button and select accept all changes in the document. Now, if you want to accept all at a one time only, what you will do? Click on the review tab, click down the drop down button. You will click down the drop down button. You will click on accept button and select accept all. You will select accept button. In accept button, you will select accept all and the changes in the document will be already accepted. To reject all changes at once, click on Review tab. Click the drop down menu arrow on the Reject button and select Reject all changes in the document. What you have seen? If you want to accept all, click on Review button. Accept button, you will drag it down. You will got this Accept all button, and you will just click on this and you will be accept all the documents, changes of the documents which you have done. If you want to reject it, again go to the Review tab. You can click on the drop down button of Reject button and then select the Reject all button, and all the changes will be rejected from your document. So this was the topic till now we have done. Now inserting the header and the footer we will be doing in the next video. Now one thing children, I want to tell you that we have completed chapter 1 and 2 till now. So please start learning if you have not started, because in the coming next week I will give you a prior notice that you have to learn this chapter, and I will take a surprise test of that. I will give you few questions and you have to write it down. So please be prepared for that. I will be giving you a surprise test. Prior notice will be given to you. 1 day or 2 days I can give you a prior notice to learn chapter number 1. So start learning from chapter number 1. Got it, children? Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.